What's going on, people? It's your boy, Mr. Bucket List, and I wanted to do a quick channel update. It's been a while since I did talk to you all in the podcast, just talk to my subscribers. So I just want to come out here and just see how you all were doing, just kind of go from there. First, I really want to say thank you for helping me reach 1,500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. I love when you all watch my videos and leave little comments and stuff like that. So I really appreciate it. So I just want to thank everyone that's joined recently. There's definitely a lot more to come. Now, with that said, so I will tell you all right now, I've been doing a lot of videos as far as like just actually recording videos. I haven't been uploading a lot because I've been working full time. I've just been really busy, but I've been doing a lot of videos. So throughout this entire podcast, you all are going to see clips of different places I've been to that I've been putting on my social media and that I do actually plan to eventually make videos for. So just keep a lookout for it. With that said, that's where I want to start at. Please, if you all follow my social media, I post a lot more often on there than I do on YouTube, ironically, just because it's a lot easier to do a quick video versus a long YouTube video review or whatever the case may be. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put some actual posts up of my actual social media accounts, and then I'll put some links in the comments below. So please, if you can, follow my Instagram. I don't use that much, but follow my Instagram. I use my Facebook majority of the time, and it's my actual personal Facebook. I don't have a personal like fan page or anything like that. So if you want to, you can add me as a friend on Facebook or just follow my actual personal page. But I'll leave both those links in there so you all can check out what I do on my social medias. Now, one thing I do want to mention for my cruise fans on my channel here. So you all know I had a cruise that was coming up in December on the Oasis of the Seas. I'll tell you right now, so it was a family cruise. It was going to be my first family cruise, period, even though they do one almost every year. And I'm pretty sad to say, and of course you all know this happened, but it actually got canceled. And so we went ahead and canceled ahead of time because I didn't feel like going through the whole process of waiting for the refund and all that mess. But yeah, so that got canceled, so it's pretty upsetting. The only good thing about it is now, because that cruise is canceled, I have some extra, even more vacation time than I already have. And of course I have extra money now for it, so I don't know what else I'm gonna do in place of that, but that did get canceled. So I just want to give you all a heads up. What I might end up doing is I have a lot of unused videos from my previous cruise that I just haven't even used yet because I want to kind of just do something else different. But maybe I'll put that up there, or maybe I'll do like a long compilation video of everything from my last cruise. I don't know. I'll think of something special for you all to do, because I know some people on my channel really love my cruise videos. So again, I thank you all who watch my cruise videos as well. Like I said, I'm working on something special. It's just kind of hard to do it without any cruises. And like I told you all in the previous video, I'm not going to be one of these idiots that's going to be on YouTube talking, oh, we're going to be cruising again in 2 weeks, saying that back in July, and cruises hasn't resumed since March. So like I said, I'll think of something, but yeah, that happens. So I just wanted to give you all a heads up about that. So as far as my future videos, so like I said, I got a couple of big ones coming up. So I recently went to Hershey Park in Pennsylvania, and then I also went to Six Flags Great Adventure in New Jersey, and of course I rode everything I could and did all that. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing a full walkthrough like I do with my other videos, the Everything at series. So I'm gonna do a full walkthrough for both the parks. I'm working on the Hershey Park one right now, and then I'm also gonna do a full review of pretty much every park that I've went through. Now the reason why I haven't done those yet is because my computer is not the best. So with reviews, it takes a little bit more processing power. So I might be buying a new computer, I would say, in the next couple of weeks. I'm not really sure yet. It just depends on what I can find. But yeah, like I said, I plan to do an everything walkthrough of Hershey Park, Six Flags Great Adventure, and then I'm also going to do one for each of the Disney parks, Universal parks, and also Volcano Bay. So those definitely, because there's so much at all those parks, those are definitely going to take a little while to go. I have all the footage, I just don't have the time to actually do it. So like I said, just keep an eye out for that. I'm also going to do a follow-up to some other videos I did in the past. So like I said, that's definitely coming up. And then I'm going to do, there's 2 more major announcements I have. So I'm going to do kind of a special subscriber video just for reaching 1,500 subscribers. I'm going to do kind of a podcast, maybe do a documentary, I don't know yet. But a lot of people, they just kind of see me online and posting stuff. They're like, who is this guy? Like, what is he about? What's he do? Where's he from? So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do basically Who is Mr. Bucket List, either a video or a podcast, so you all can get to know what maybe become who I am. And how I'm able to do the things I do and all that type of stuff. So that's one of the major videos I'm going to do. And then the second one, I'm actually have to switch to a live video for this one. So like I said, this is for my 30 days video, the people that lost me, lose all that weight. This is a special shout out to you all, so check this out. Alright, and this is my surprise. As you all can see, this is fitness boxing. I just want to thank you all for such the positive feedback that I got from that previous video of losing 30 pounds in 30 days. Look at my exercise streak. So as of today's date, which ironically is Halloween, 34 days of working out. So I don't do holidays, that's why I'm in the house right now, just chilling out. But you all really got me to go like serious about it. And so like I said, I'm gonna do a second video, a follow-up video about it. It's gonna be a lot more in depth, a lot more just information about it. And it's not going to be just 30 days because it can be dangerous if you continuously do something like that. So I'm probably going to stretch it out to about 90 days of working out. But I just want to give you all a heads up. I'm definitely working on it. I'm going to do just the best I can and try to get the best, healthiest way, the best fits and shape, just in the best shape possible. And I would give you all a preview, but right now I'm kind of naked. I'm in the bathrobe right now. So we can pass on it for right now, but I definitely got some more comments, so check it out. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this channel update. Like I said, I really appreciate you all watching my videos, subscribing, commenting, liking, all the stuff that you do to keep this channel going. Thank you so much. Like I said, I have a lot more videos to come, not just with theme parks, but just videos in general. I'm sure you all see the food reviews I've been doing and stuff like that. I've been doing a lot of different things and I want to share with you all to kind of get everybody out there to do different things. Not to mention, I got a drone. I showed you all an update of it before. You probably saw some videos in the little montage I had here of my drone. So I'm be doing some drone videos. I'm actually thinking about doing an actual tech channel as well because I have so much technology inside my home and I just like it. So it's like, I might as well go ahead and help other people kind of know how to set it up and be budget friendly and stuff like that. So most likely I'll put some of that in this portion of the video right now so you can see what I'm talking about. But like I said, again, I really appreciate you all checking into my channel. Please don't forget, like I said, to try to subscribe to my different social medias like Facebook and Instagram. I'll leave some links and I'll leave the actual information in the video as well. And then, if you can, continue to share my videos or whatever you all are doing that's attracting more people. It's you all that's doing it, not me. So I really appreciate it. And again, I'll see you soon. It's your boy, Mr. Bucket List. Peace out.